Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saring world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I am here to showcase a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All these saris are hand woven, the zari on them is pure, and the colors and designs are absolutely breathtaking. So let's get started with the saris. We begin with a Kanjivaram silk in a very beautiful color of a deep chocolate brown, and this sari has very cute parrot motifs woven in meenakari all over the body. So this is the beautiful brown body of the sari, and you see the meenakari parrots, and the parrots are done in zari and reddish pink thread work. So these buttas are there all over the body. They are closer near the pallu side and they are spread out more as you progress inside towards the body of the sari. The gorgeous pink pallu of this beautiful sari has motifs of horses, pakshi and diamond motifs all done in zari. So this is a very fabulous and classy sari. The color combination of brown and pink is absolutely beautiful. This sari has a blouse fabric in pink. If you love Kanjivarams without zari, then this one's for you. This is an absolutely classy, elegant and chic Kanjivaram silk sari without any zari. And this is a Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this sari is in a beigish color with all over grids like cuttams, and the borders are in black with temples along the borders. So the borders are interlocked to the body using the Korvai technique of interlocking. The pallu of this stunning sari is in black and it's got tarandu reku. This sari has a black blouse fabric and it's absolutely perfect to wear to work because it has no zari. You can wear it for small events, occasions, etc. also by dressing it up accordingly. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual combination is what we have for you next. This is a beautiful sunny yellow Kanjivaram silk sari, and the borders are Korvai borders and they are in a beautiful turquoise blue. So this combination of blue and turquoise is very unusual and hard to come across. The body of the sari has all over cuttams or checks in blue, and the turquoise borders are interlocked with the body using the Korvai method of interlocking. The borders are beautiful motifs. You see a row of motifs here, you see some motifs here. So you see Kamalam or the floral motifs here, then there is Vangi or Bajuban motifs here. You see the Mayilkand motifs here. So all these motifs make this sari look very beautiful. The beautiful blue pallu of the sari has similar motifs as the borders. So you see Kamalam motifs, you see Mayilkand motifs. Then there is a band here of Banaras motifs. So the sari has a very beautiful pallu which is completely done in thread. So this unusual combination of yellow and blue Korvai threadwork Kanjivaram is one of our special picks for you today. Orange and black are both such beautiful and bold colors, and when they come together, it is absolutely breathtaking and majestic. So we have for you a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram with the body in orange and the Korvai borders in black. The orange body of the sari has beautiful zari buttas, coin zari buttas or circular buttas, and the borders are Korvai borders which are interlocked to the body using the Korvai technique. And there are two rows of zari, so it's a Rettapete zari Korvai border in black. The gorgeous black pallu of the sari has beautiful zari motifs. So this is one stunning grand Kanjivaram that is fit to be worn for special occasions. This sari has a blouse fabric in black, and this combination of orange and black with the beautiful zari motifs makes this a very beautiful and special sari. On popular demand, we have restocked one of your very favorite threadwork Korvai Kanjivarams. The body of this beautiful sari is in an ivory or off-white color like this, and the sari has maroon threadwork Korvai borders, and the borders have Varisapet motifs or a series of motifs like Pakshi motifs, then you see Tutripu motifs, Rudraksha motifs. So these are done in a combination of rust, green and maroon on the borders. The maroon pallu of this beautiful sari has very intricate and detailed threadwork, and it has motifs of Rudraksha and Pakshis. This sari comes with a maroon blouse fabric with the same borders as the sari has. This combination of ivory and maroon is a timeless combination that all of us surely love. Our collection of beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris in kaleidoscopic colors is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these saris from our website. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you loved our collection of beautiful Kanchivaram silk saris. Please share the video with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care. Bye.